I am using dual SIM on my iPhone. Let's see how you can change SIM while calling. The first method. You can select primary or secondary SIM while calling. You can select primary SIM or secondary SIM as a default call line. Second method. This time I am calling from the primary SIM, but you can change it. You can change primary SIM or secondary SIM before making a call. Now this phone number always calls from the secondary SIM.